Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at one of the most extraordinary luxury RV concepts ever imagined. The 2027 Bugatti Motorhome has stunned automotive enthusiasts around the world by combining the breathtaking design language of a hypercar with the comfort of a five-star luxury home. Inspired by the legendary engineering of Bugatti, this futuristic motorhome pushes the boundaries of what is possible in luxury travel, offering a perfect blend of performance, innovation, and unmatched comforts. The first thing that grabs your attention is the spectacular exterior. Unlike conventional RVs with box-shaped bodies, the 2027 Bugatti Motorhome features a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette inspired by Bugatti's iconic hypercars. Every curve has been carefully sculpted to improve airflow while creating an unmistakable road presence. The signature illuminated horseshoe grille dominates the front fascia, accompanied by ultra-slim matrix-LED headlights that stretch elegantly into the front fenders. The aggressive front bumper incorporates functional air channels that improve cooling and reduce drag, while carbon fiber accents emphasize the vehicle's sporting heritage. Gloss black trim, polished aluminum details, and massive forged alloy wheels complete the premium appearance. Every element has been designed with precision, making the motorhome look more like an exotic supercar than a recreational vehicle. Along the sides, flush-mounted doors and seamless body panels create a clean, uninterrupted profile. Panoramic smart glass windows extend nearly the full length of the cabin, providing incredible natural light while allowing passengers to adjust transparency electronically for maximum privacy. Hidden storage compartments are perfectly integrated into the bodywork, offering generous space for luggage, outdoor equipment, and adventure gear. One of the most remarkable exterior features is the intelligent expandable living system. Once parked, electrically operated slide-out sections dramatically increase the interior living area. At the same time, a rooftop sky lounge rises automatically, revealing premium outdoor seating, ambient lighting, integrated speakers, and a retractable glass canopy. Whether parked beside a crystal-clear lake or overlooking a mountain valley, the rooftop lounge creates an unforgettable outdoor living experience. The rear design continues the dramatic styling, with a full-width LED light signature surrounding illuminated Bugatti lettering. Active aerodynamic elements automatically adjust depending on speed, helping optimize both efficiency and stability during long-distance travel. Stepping inside feels like entering an exclusive luxury penthouse. Every surface reflects exceptional craftsmanship, combining premium leather, Alcantara, polished aluminum, open-pore wood, and exposed carbon fiber into a beautifully balanced interior. The cabin feels spacious, elegant, and surprisingly modern. The main living area serves as the social center of the motorhome. Luxurious reclining captain's chairs rotate toward an elegant lounge, featuring a handcrafted sofa and hidden entertainment center. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats ensure maximum comfort throughout every journey. A transparent OLED display silently rises from the cabinetry whenever entertainment or navigation is required, then disappears completely to preserve the clean design. The panoramic glass roof floods the interior with daylight while electronically adjusting tint levels according to weather conditions. Intelligent ambient lighting automatically changes brightness and color temperature throughout the day, creating a relaxing atmosphere whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying a quiet evening. The kitchen rivals those found in luxury apartments. Premium stone countertops, handcrafted cabinetry, brushed aluminum finishes, and hidden storage compartments create an elegant workspace. The fully equipped kitchen includes an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, wine cooler, espresso machine, dishwasher, and integrated touch-sensitive controls. Every appliance has been carefully positioned for both convenience and style. Next to the kitchen sits a sophisticated dining area with seating for 4 adults. Large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views, making every meal feel like dining in an exclusive luxury resort. At the rear of the motorhome lies the magnificent master suite. A king-size floating bed with a premium memory foam mattress sits at the center of the room, surrounded by customizable ambient lighting and panoramic smart glass walls. Occupants can wake up to stunning landscapes or instantly activate privacy mode with a single touch. The bedroom also includes spacious wardrobes, hidden storage compartments, wireless charging stations, integrated entertainment displays, premium reading lights, and independent climate controls. Every detail has been engineered to create the perfect environment for rest and relaxation. The adjacent bathroom delivers an equally luxurious experience. Heated marble flooring, a spacious rainfall shower, illuminated mirrors, premium fixtures, and advanced water purification systems provide the comfort of a world-class spa. Intelligent water recycling technology allows travelers to enjoy extended off-grid adventures without sacrificing convenience. Performance is just as impressive as the luxury. Although this remains a concept, the 2027 Bugatti Motorhome envisions an advanced hybrid electric powertrain combining a powerful quad-turbocharged engine with multiple high-output electric motors. Combined system output could exceed 1,500 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful motorhomes ever imagined. The intelligent all-wheel drive system constantly monitors road conditions and distributes power where it's needed most. Instant electric torque delivers effortless acceleration despite the vehicle's size, while sophisticated energy management systems maximize efficiency throughout long-distance journeys. Ride quality benefits from an adaptive air suspension that continuously analyzes road conditions and automatically adjusts ride height and damping. Whether traveling across smooth highways or winding mountain roads, passengers enjoy an exceptionally quiet and refined experience. Technology is another standout feature. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, night vision, traffic sign recognition, semi-autonomous highway driving, and a complete 360-degree camera system that simplifies maneuvering such a large luxury vehicle. The cockpit features a panoramic curved digital display extending across the dashboard. Navigation, entertainment, energy management, vehicle diagnostics, and camera views are presented through an intuitive interface that feels modern and effortless to use. A sophisticated artificial intelligence assistant responds to natural voice commands, allowing passengers to control lighting, climate, seating, multimedia, and navigation without lifting a finger. Connectivity is equally advanced. High-speed satellite internet, onboard Wi-Fi, wireless smartphone integration, cloud-based diagnostics, over-the-air software updates, smart home connectivity, and remote vehicle management ensure owners remain connected wherever the road leads. The vehicle can even be monitored remotely through a dedicated smartphone application. Now let's talk about pricing. If Bugatti were ever to bring such an extraordinary motorhome into production, exclusivity would come at an extraordinary cost. Industry experts estimate a starting price of around **5 million**, while bespoke flagship versions featuring handcrafted interiors, rare materials, personalized layouts, and exclusive engineering solutions could easily exceed *$12 million*. That would place the 2027 Bugatti Motorhome among the most expensive and exclusive recreational vehicles ever created. The 2027 Bugatti Motorhome represents far more than a luxury RV. It is a bold vision of the future, combining hypercar-inspired styling, world-class craftsmanship, intelligent technology, extraordinary performance, and uncompromising comfort into one breathtaking machine. Every journey becomes an unforgettable experience, whether crossing continents or simply escaping for a weekend adventure. For travelers who demand the absolute best in design, innovation, and luxury, this remarkable concept proves that the future of motorhome travel has no limits. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.